In today's world, trust is more important than ever. You want to be able to trust the systems, the people, and the processes you have in place to run your business efficiently. In the pharma industry, trust is even more important. Tracking inventory, complying with changing regulations, meeting FDA and DSCSA standards, it's a lot to think about. So let our team think about it instead. With Blue Link's all-in-one pharmaceutical ERP software, we can help you run your entire business while staying on top of industry regulations. Our pharma ERP includes tools for license management, transaction reporting, suspicious order monitoring, and more. But there is more to pharmaceutical distribution than just compliance. There is also inventory control, accounting, financials, and everything in between. We've combined our 27 years of experience to develop a system that many businesses are using today. So let us be your trusted technology partner and help you run your business right.